Coming off a podium at the last round at Aonia, long time coming. It was definitely a long journey to get there, and it was definitely a confidence booster coming in here. So looking to repeat, of course, but move up a couple of positions would be awesome too. But we're on a good momentum train here, so definitely a lot of hype coming off that one. Everybody's expecting it, and so am I. So we're gonna come out here and do well and do our best, and I think we're pretty prepared to do so.
Track's looking amazing. They did some pretty cool changes for us. The pro section's looking a lot different than last year, pretty big. So that's interesting. The lap should be really long here. It's gonna be really hot too. It's gonna be tough. This is Chad Wienen's home track, so we're just looking to come out strong and put in a good performance. I know he's gonna be digging here, of course, but we're looking to get on the top step of the box again and just have fun doing it like we have. The bike's working awesome. The Phoenix Racing team has it dialed in. Elka suspension, Impact Solutions going to be key for this weekend. It's going to be a rough one, hot. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a grueling weekend, but I'm really putting in the work and we're ready to go out and try to win some motos.
It's nice being back home. I got a good crowd of fans coming tomorrow that are ready for me to get a W, and I'm really feeling good coming into this event. I've been really working hard, and my setup feels great. And just the way I rode coming off of Georgia was really good. And man, I feel like I left one out there at Georgia, and I'm gonna see if we can get a good start this weekend and try to put this thing on the center part of the box and try to get this championship turned around in my direction. And my competition's been riding good, and I really feel it's going to be a battle. And the humidity and the heat's going to be a factor, and I feel like we're ready. man, just picture perfect. Good starts all day. My machine was running so good. My Yamaha and the whole crew, the Wiener Motorsports, just everybody was clicking to get today. And huge props to everybody. The fans came out in a big way, and we're gonna try to keep this momentum going into 4th of July weekend. So let's have some fun and enjoy this one and get back to work.
I'm pumped, but I know the rest of the crew is super happy too. Moto 1 was okay, not the best. Definitely frustrated, which caused me to ride a lot better in Moto 2. I was super happy with my results and just psyched to be back on the podium, going back home, train a little harder, hopefully be back up here. Thanks.
I was in 3rd, and Bryce Ford got into Chad, and his bike was actually coming down from his crash, and I ran into it. Sort of jacked up my leg a little bit. And I didn't think nothing of it in the first moto. I was just trying to power through it, and just the pain didn't go away. So I knew something was up, and there's actually an orthopedic surgeon here, and he checked it out, and he said maybe not race the second moto if it hurt, during the first couple laps. But obviously that wasn't the case. I was able to finish, did what I could. Pretty exhausting day. It was super hot. Can't thank the whole Phoenix crew enough. Bike was amazing this weekend. Just a little mishap at the beginning of the first moto, and I think that kind of slowed me down, but I'll be ready for the next one.
Like this.